Hey, what's up, guys? We have a men's Joe Rodeo Junior diamond watch with approximately 4.30 carats of all natural white, blue, and canary diamonds by Joe Rodeo. Mother Pro white dial. Stainless steel casing, good condition, as you can see. This is a factory blue leather Joe Rodeo band. However, it's a 22 millimeter band. I think the appropriate size is a 24. You can kind of see that little space where the pin's at. On that, this watch looks really nice. Swiss movement works 100%. Here's your back casing right here too. Very flashy. I do have it listed on eBay as well, but obviously if you want it for a cheaper price, make sure to reach out to me here. Number is 915-422-9394. Andrew. So hit me up.